Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you're going to change the color for the add to cart button in your Shopify's website. So firstly, go to your Shopify admin page, then click on online store and themes and click on customize. Let me quickly go to the add to cart page. So I'll just simply choose a product. And here is the add to cart button. Now what you have to do is just simply go to the theme setting over here, the colors panel over here. Now down below, the background section over here. So in this case, if you add to cart color and your background color is completely different, what you can do is just simply click on the background color over here and just make any color of your liking. And within a few seconds, your add to cart button will also change. You can make any color of your liking and it will keep on changing. But make sure if in order to use this, you have to keep your background color and add to cart color different. That's how you can change the add to cart button color in Shopify website. So after making all the changes, just simply press save. And now let me show you a preview of the website store. So as you can see, the add to cart button has changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.